In today's demanding economic environment, downtime caused by flat tires is extremely costly to a business and jeopardizes its reliability, performance, and reputation. Surprisingly, the majority of trucks and trailers don't carry spare wheels. For those that do, the wheel is often not easy to access. Because of this, and the wheel's weight, removing or storing the spare or damaged wheel is very difficult and time-consuming, due to drivers being unable to do this without assistance. All of that is about to change. Introducing the revolutionary and internationally patented EasyChange Spare Wheel Carrier. With EasyChange, the driver can remove, replace and store the spare wheel extremely quickly without requiring assistance. The spare wheel can be removed in 30 seconds, with the damaged wheel being put back in position and safely secured on the carrier in a further 30 seconds. Very little strength is necessary to operate the wheel carrier. Due to its ingenious design, a woman can utilize this easy-to-use system. Despite spare wheels weighing approximately 250 kilograms or 550 pounds. The carrier is simple to use, safe to operate, and is practically indestructible. With a guarantee on workmanship and a host of safety features, your business can't be without EasyChange. EasyChange, your spare wheel carrier, keeping you on the move.